Hello guys, this is Emmanuel College, the school at Wetheral Junction. Guys, you guys know about this school. I was very disappointed to vlog this school and see the nature of this school, starting from the outside to the inside. Guys, you can see how the outside look like. Everywhere look bushy and dirty. The zincs, many house spoiled, and the classrooms, there is no seat inside the classrooms. Guys, this is Emmanuel College. They are in Owerri. Emmanuel College that have produced governors, that have produced barristers, that have produced senators, that have produced engineers, that have produced a lot of professionals. Guys, this is Emmanuel College. Seeing this school in this nature makes me so angry and disappointed. I don't know whether this school is owned by the individual or by the government based on the maintenance of this school. This is the main gate of this school. You can see the signboard there, Emmanuel College Owerri. Along the Wetheral Road, you can see this side leading to Wetheral Junction. You can see the back of school building. You can see it's also along the Douglas Road, Owerri. You can see the Douglas Road, Owerri, that is under reconstruction. So this is the inside of the Emmanuel College of Owerri. Let me show you everything inside the school. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Everything is not normal in the school again. Where is the old boys of the Emmanuel College of Owerri? Where is the legends who have schooled in this school? Where are you guys? Where are you brothers? Where are you uncles? Emmanuel College have turned to a desert, have turned to a forest. Guys, see how everywhere look, the zinc falling down, the classrooms are not used. Guys, this is the nature. This is Emmanuel College Owerri. If you are familiar with this place, you will know this is the field. Many people know about this field. Even footballers here in Imo State.Alumni know about this field. See how the buildings are very bushy. I don't know why they are leaving the buildings to be bushy like this. See Emmanuel College that we all boast with, that we all make mouth with. This is the nature of Emmanuel College. So many buildings are being abandoned here at the Emmanuel College. Classroom, there is no seat. All the old boys of this school, where are you? This is your school. This is Emmanuel College. Why is it now so dirty, bushy, and tattered? Guys, this is how Emmanuel College is at the moment. Make sure you do share this video. We need to be recognizing, we need to be coming back and taking care of our school. This is Emmanuel College. You all know. Let me take you around and show you what I saw in this place. So these are the buildings that are reasonable here at the Emmanuel College. This school is a legend school. This is school that many legends have schooled in. All these buildings are being renovated, but some are being abandoned. You can see how everywhere look like. You can see only the 4 upstairs that make sense in this school. Other classrooms are being abandoned, no chairs inside. I don't know why, but everywhere is so bushy, everywhere is so tattered. You can see the grasses everywhere in that downstairs area. Guys, this is Emmanuel College. We all need to share this video so that the government or our legends or our old boys and old students that have schooled in this school should watch and see. They should come back and take care of this school. This is inside a classroom. For example, you can see this is inside the classroom of the upstairs. You can see how the inside look like. You can see there is no chairs here inside the classroom. This is upstairs. You can stay on the top here. You can view the dance side. You can see. You see everywhere. You see how everywhere is. Still going out. This another one I saw chairs inside. You can see I'll be going down, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share it to your family and friends, share it to everywhere so that people will see it. This is Emmanuel College Owerri, Imo State. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you.